going on, YouTube? Today I'm going to be showing you a video of this 1991 Davimport, yes, Davimport Prizzm neon ceiling fan. Got it off Craigslist for $10. It's factory white with the neon. The neon's aqua, but the problem with it is that the clips were broken that hold the neon tubes, and the transformer, the clip to that holds it to the neon tube, was broken as well. But I don't know if you can't really see it, but there's a Romex sticking inside the housing for that. So I had to replace both chains. The light chain works, but the fan chain doesn't, because for some reason the ones at Home Depot never work. So I had to put it on this wall remote. So we're going to start on low speed. And it is quite buzzy and a little bit wobbly. It blows a pretty good amount of air. It has a 172mm motor. A little bit of bearing noise. You can see there's a DEMC canopy that was originally brown, unfortunately. It was painted white. I don't know why this didn't come with the original mounting hardware, but whatever. I'll have to live with it for now. I can already feel some air coming from it. Now high speed. And now we'll do the spin down. I imagine the spin down is going to be short because the blades are pretty light and the bearings aren't the smoothest. See, it's already stopped. That's about it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, rate 5 stars, and turn on post notifications. See you in the next video.